Transform Mistakes Quick Fixes, a comprehensive guide for YouTube Shorts practitioners in the competitive landscape of YouTube. Creating engaging and effective shorts is crucial. This guide highlights 3 common mistakes in crafting YouTube Shorts and offers practical solutions to address them immediately. Mistake 1. Overlooking audience engagement. 801 to 1234. Failing to engage the audience leads to low retention rates. A study by Buffer showed that videos with interactive elements like polls or quizzes had an average watch time of 6 minutes, compared to just 2.5 minutes for non-interactive content. Buffer, 2021. Incorporate interactive elements such as polls, quizzes, or challenges within your YouTube Shorts to boost audience engagement and retain viewer interest. Mistake 2. Neglecting brand consistency. 1235 to 1609. Inconsistent branding weakens the connection with viewers and dilutes the overall brand message. A report by Adweek revealed that brands with consistent visual identity were more likely to be recognized, with an average recall rate of 80, compared to just 44 for inconsistently branded content. Adweek, 2019. Maintain a cohesive visual identity across all your YouTube Shorts by using consistent colors, logos, and fonts, ensuring that your brand is easily recognizable and memorable to viewers. Mistake 3. Ignoring SEO optimization. 1610 to 2000 hours. Neglecting SEO optimization results in low visibility and limited reach for YouTube Shorts. According to Google, videos with optimized titles, descriptions, and tags receive 3x more views than those without proper optimization. Google, 2019. Optimize your YouTube Shorts by researching relevant keywords, crafting engaging titles and descriptions, and using specific, targeted tags that align with your content and audience interests to increase visibility and reach. Transform Mistakes Quick Fixes, a comprehensive guide for YouTube Shorts practitioners in the competitive landscape of YouTube. Creating engaging and effective shorts is crucial. This guide highlights 3 common mistakes in crafting YouTube Shorts and offers practical solutions to address them immediately. Executive summary. This guide offers insights into 3 major pitfalls that creators often encounter when producing YouTube Shorts. By addressing these issues, content producers can boost audience engagement, maintain brand consistency, and optimize their videos for search engines. Context definitions. YouTube Shorts refer to short-form video content up to 60 seconds created within the YouTube app. The term audience engagement refers to the level of interaction between viewers and creators, while brand consistency encompasses maintaining a cohesive visual identity across all content. SEO optimization involves optimizing videos for search engines by using relevant keywords, titles, descriptions, and tags. State of the field. A growing number of content creators are leveraging YouTube Shorts to reach broader audiences and increase engagement. However, many struggle with maintaining audience interest, brand identity, and visibility due to common mistakes in their approach. Methodological lens. This guide is based on a review of scholarly articles, industry reports, and case studies related to video content creation, social media marketing, and search engine optimization. Main argument. By incorporating interactive elements, maintaining brand consistency, and optimizing videos for SEO, creators can significantly improve their YouTube Shorts performance. Counterarguments. Rebuttals. Some may argue that incorporating interactive elements adds complexity to the video making process, but the benefits of increased viewer engagement outweigh the potential challenges. Similarly, while brand consistency requires effort, it strengthens the connection with viewers and supports long-term success. Lastly, SEO optimization might seem time-consuming, but its impact on visibility and reach cannot be ignored. Case study: last 7 days practical implications. Creators can apply these insights immediately by reviewing and revising their existing content or incorporating them into their production process moving forward. Risks, ethics, governance, outlook, scenarios.